Students, today we are going to read chapter 4 Subordinate Adverb Clauses. Students, in this chapter we are going to discuss about the clause which act like an adverb. Okay, it modifies the verb and provide additional information about verb, adjective or adverb. So students, the clause which functions like an adverb are called subordinate adverb clauses. For example, he stopped when he saw the red signal. In this sentence, when we put the question why, when did he stop? Okay, so the answer we get is when he saw the red signal. So this subordinate clause is modifying the verb stop. Therefore, it is an adverb clause. Okay. See another example. The box is heavier than what I expected. Students, in this sentence, when we ask the adjective heavier, how much heavier? Then the answer we get than what I expected. Okay, this is also an adverb clause. Another example is she danced so gracefully that all the judges praised her. Students, again in this sentence, when we put a question what happened because she danced so gracefully, the answer we get is all the judges praised her. Okay, so student, this is also an adverb clause. Student, adverb clause basically tell us how the action has been done, when the action has been done, where the action has been done. Okay, what are the cause of the action, why the action has been done, what are the result of the action, and what are the circumstances and condition in which the action has been done or performed. Okay, so students, we will talk about one by one in each of the in each of the clause. First one is adverb clause of place. Student, adverb clause of place tell us where the action has taken place. Okay, it begins with where or whenever. It tell us where the action has taken place. Okay, for example, Ashwin will go where the battle was fought. In this sentence, when we put a question, where did Ashwin go? Where will Ashwin go? The answer we get where the battle was fought. Okay, wherever water was found, they pitched for tent. In this sentence, again we can put a question, where did they pitch their tent? The answer we get wherever water was found. He slept where the leafy trees provided him with shade. Again we can put a question like where did he sleep? Again we get answer like where leafy trees provided him with shade. So student, when we ask the finite verb in the main clause with where, the reply we get is an adverb clause of place. Okay, so whatever the reply we get, this is our adverb clause of place. Now adverb clause of time. When we ask the finite verb in the main clause with the question when, the reply we get is in adverb clause of time. Okay, see how. Roma went home when it was almost dark. When we put a question, when did Roma go home? Answer we get when it was almost dark. So when it was almost dark, it is our adverb clause of time. Again, sentence 2. After the lecture got over, the audience asked many questions. Okay, so when we put a question, when did audience ask many questions? Answer we get here after the lecture got over. So our reply after the lecture get over, it is our adverb clause of time. I go to Dehradun whenever I can. Whenever I can. Okay, so if we put a question, when does I go to Dehradun? When will I go to Dehradun? Or when does I go to Dehradun? Answer we get whenever I can. So whenever I can, it is an adverb clause of time. No sooner did he hear the news than he ran to his mother. Again, if we put a question, when did he run to his mother? Answer we get no sooner did he hear the news. So this is the part of the sentence. No sooner did we hear the news. It is an adverb clause of time. The rescue party will set out as soon as the sun rises. If we put a question again, when did the sun rise? Or sorry, when did the rescue? When will the rescue party set out? Answer we get as soon as the sun rises. So this is an adverb clause of time. Okay. Thank